We're out here in Utah installing a sprinkler system. We're using a Bobcat E35 series to dig out and trench out the sprinkler lines. Basically, this is a 4-zone system. So you can see we're abandoning the old system. We're tying on to the stop and waste, which turns the water on and off to the sprinkler system. And then we're going to run it over and tie it on to our brand new zone valve, which each one of them are set up to be able to be disconnected and reconnected without having to cut any pipe. So everything is very easy to repair, and in the near future, if they ever have any leaks. There's a view of all the trenches that we dug for the sprinkler system. We try to get it to 10 to 12 inches down. This area is going to be flower beds, where we're going to put some pop-ups that are going to be shooting out away from the house so they don't cause any moisture issues. And now we'll make our way to the backyard. Sprinkler system is very basic to install. I would recommend hiring a professional though to do it. If you need any help or assistance, we could definitely help you out with it. Our number is 801-636-6710, and this is brought to you by Murray Plumbing. You can contact us at our email at murrayplumbingspecialist@outlook.com.